Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabel if this is your first time here. In today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing to do. It just came in the mail. I apologize about the lighting. I have two little babies. I have a baby and a 3-year-old, and I just need to unbox this. I need to record it, and I'm like in the corner, and this is just the best I can do right now. So this is my early Christmas gift, or it is my Christmas gift from my wonderful stepmom, who is just like above and beyond. And she was like, no, like you need to get a bag. Like, what bag do you want? You're getting one, you know? And I don't own a ton of like luxury items. Mike got me the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM last year, or like a year and a half ago, but I never got to unbox it because he bought it. We live in New England, and he was on a work trip in Florida, and he was down in West Palm Beach, and he got it for me down there. And to fit in his luggage bag, he couldn't bring the box with him or anything, so he had to just bring like the dust bag and the bag itself. Anyway, so that's just a little background. I do have like a couple luxury things, but like not a crazy amount. But I desperately needed a new like smaller just shoulder bag. The one that I have is from Boohoo, which is like a super like affordable like clothing website, and it's just like it's seen its day and it's time to move on. So I just signed for this big UPS box, and let's dig in. I'm like so nervous and so excited at the same time. Like I just first layer, it says Louis Vuitton. So when you open the box right here, I think this is like, thank you for shopping with us. Exchanges. I don't know if this is my receipt. They also, they emailed me a receipt. I think this is about shipping and returns. And then I can't like do this with one hand. Oh, it's a teeny little envelope. How flippin' cute is this? Wait, it has nothing on it. I'm wicked confused. Is that where, like, if this was gonna be a gift message or something? All right, so I'm just gonna take this out of that gigantic box, so I can open it. All right, so here, all right, so let's open her up. I'm just gonna keep the ribbon, like, intact and see if I can just slide it off, because it's so pretty with my little blank envelope. And we are going to just pop her right open. This is what we see when we open the box. All right, so here we go. Oh my God, I could like cry, honestly, cry, die. Oh my God. Ah, look how gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God, how gorgeous. So this is the MARIGNAN. I think I'm saying that right. I'm sure it's like with much of a more beautiful accent is how you say it. But here she is. She has a handle, and then I'm sure inside just clips open. There is a pocket. This black space is a pocket. This came in a couple different colors, but I decided on the black just to stay neutral. So it also comes with a strap for it to be a shoulder bag. So that's really the reason why I chose this one. It's such a good size to, you know, it has a ton of space inside. I'll open her up. Oh, there, see now, that lighting is good. There are 2 pockets, no. Well, there's one big pocket and then there's 2 little smaller pockets on the inside. All right, so here's a closer look. Here is the strap, like I said, that can be connected right here. And then this lock is what locks the, right here. So the lock on this side is what locks and closes the bag. So like I said, it has that black pocket right here. And it's like this beautiful, beautiful suede inside with the LV on the inside. And then you can't see because it's black, I apologize, but it's just, there is the larger pocket right here, and then there's 2 smaller little pockets on the inside, and there's a ton of space in here, if you can see like how deep down my arm goes. So there is some tape on here that I can take off, and if you can see how like cold it is when I touch it, because it literally just got delivered. So there she is. I can't believe it. Literally best Christmas present ever. All right, guys, that is it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Vlogmas has been super fun. I've been uploading every single day. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Again, I apologize for like the freaky weird lighting, but I just had to unbox this beautiful, beautiful bag. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you.